Hello everyone and welcome to another Financial Markets Weekly Update video. My name is Styliana, I'm the Head of Investments and Market Research at Pure, and in today's video we're going to see how the commodities, stocks and crypto markets reacted to the news and also what to expect in the current week from the markets. In the previous week on Friday, we had the Jackson Hole Symposium. Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell spoke with steely resolve of the Fed's determination to continue to raise interest rates as long as it takes to beat inflation. As a result, another large 3/4 of a point interest rate hike is still a real possibility at the Fed's next policy meeting on September 21. At least a half-point rate hike is guaranteed. All three major U.S. stock indices lost more than 3%, led by a 3.9% fall for the Nasdaq and 3.4% fall for the S&P 500. The USD was stronger across the board, gains led by losses for the most growth-sensitive pro-cyclical currencies like the Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar. Now, let's move on into the crypto news of the current and the previous week, and we're going to start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin price falls below $20,000 after Fed chair's speech. On Saturday, we saw Bitcoin prices fall all the way down to $19,833 before slightly recovering back above to the $20,000 mark at the time of writing. This is the first time since July 14 that Bitcoin was breached the key $20,000 mark. The negative price action seems to have been triggered by the Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's speech at the annual Jackson Hole Economic Symposium. Powell stated that the Federal Reserve is likely to keep raising interest rates and leave them elevated for a while to stamp out inflation. In other news in the crypto markets, Grayscale fields SEC's questions on 3 Grayscale crypto trusts being potential securities. According to recent regulatory filings of Grayscale spotted by CoinDesk, crypto asset manager Grayscale Investments LLC has been responding to questions from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission about tokens from 3 of those cryptocurrency trusts being classified as potential securities. Moving on, Tether states it will not freeze sanctioned Tornado Cash addresses. In a statement released by Tether on Wednesday, the company reiterated its decision not to bar Tornado Cash addresses, highlighting that it has not yet received any instructions from U.S. authorities or law enforcement to do so. The company described the unilateral freezing of secondary market addresses without specific instructions as a highly disruptive and reckless move that it does not wish to undertake. Now, let's move on into the current week's news. This week we have the US non-farm payrolls, we have factory orders. Let's see. In the United States, the highlight of the week will be the monthly employment report. July data saw a higher than forecast rise in U.S. non-farm payrolls, but jobs growth is expected to moderate sharply down from 528,000 in July to 290,000 in August. U.S. factory orders will be released shortly after and add more color as to how the manufacturing sector performed in July after worse than expected durable goods orders. Also, watch out the consumer confidence data from the Conference Board and house price data, both viewed to assessing the impact of rising interest rates. That's all the news for the current week, guys. That's also what happened in the previous week. So if you have any questions or if you want to open a trading account with us, you can contact us through our website or our social media. We'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you for watching and wishing you a profitable trading week.